Let's make sweet potato and oatmeal chocolate chip bars. To get started, you will need to gather the ingredients. Here's what you'll need. First, you will want to wash your hands with soap and warm water. Begin by preheating the oven to 350 degrees. In a large mixing bowl, add the sugar to the mashed sweet potatoes and mix until smooth. Add the oil, egg, and yogurt and mix until smooth. In a separate and medium-sized mixing bowl, add the oatmeal, both types of flour, spices, and baking powder. Mix thoroughly. Add the dry ingredients to the sweet potato mixture and stir just enough to combine. Add the chocolate chips and stir to mix. Spray a 13 by 9 by 2 inch baking pan with cooking spray and pour the batter into the pan. Bake for 25 to 30 minutes or until lightly brown. Remove from the oven and let the pan cool for about 8 to 10 minutes. Cut into 18 bars and enjoy!